Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. To all our new viewers, a big warm welcome. And to our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for the love and support on our previous recipe. You truly keep us going. Kindly remember to share, like, and subscribe. Today, we're making something special. A unique tortilla wrap recipe with a fun little hack that you've probably never seen before. So stay tuned till the end. It's simple, creative, and incredibly delicious. Let's start by adding 2 cups of flour into a bowl, a pinch of salt to taste, and then gently pour in warm water as we need. The trick here is not to rush. We want a dough that's soft and smooth, not sticky or too dry. Once the dough is ready, we'll divide it into smaller portions and roll them into smooth balls. Now, we'll dust each one with a little flour. This prevents the rolling pin from sticking and helps you spread it easily. Now, this next step, super important. Sprinkle some flour on them. It keeps the dough from sticking to the rolling pin while you spread. Trust me, this one small step saves a lot of frustration. Alright, let's roll one ball out into a round shape. It doesn't have to be perfect. I've done this a million times, and at times, they appear oval. Sometimes even pentagon. So don't worry so much about a fine circle. Next, I'm brushing on a bit of oil to make it soft and shiny, then dusting with a little more flour. This combo helps create those nice flaky layers later when we cook. Now, here's where it gets interesting. I'm folding it into 4 parts, just like a rectangle. Then I'll take my rolling pin and use a pizza cutter to slice straight across. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us share more tasty recipes with you every week. Thank you so much for your amazing support. Look at that, this is my favorite hack for this recipe. You'll end up with 2 long dough strips. And now for the fun part, we twist them just like braiding hair. It looks cool and it gives the tortilla that beautiful layered texture once cooked. Try this hack and I guarantee this will be a very fulfilling experience twisting dough like this. Looks more like a flower, right? Tell me what you think about this and where you're watching us from in the comment below. Once it's nicely twisted, roll it back into a circle and gently spread it out with your rolling pin. Sprinkle a little flour to make it easier to roll. And here's a quick tip. If your dough keeps shrinking while you spread it, that means it wasn't kneaded well enough. So make sure to knead it just right, like I showed you earlier. Then onto a hot pan, it goes. Keep your heat medium. If it's too high, it'll burn outside and stay raw inside. And if it's too low, it'll dry up and turn hard. I like to flip my tortilla every 30 seconds or so. It helps it cook evenly on both sides and stay nice and soft. And just look at those layers puffing up. That's when you know you've nailed it. Golden, soft, and flaky. Just perfect. Now for our tortilla filling. I've got 1 boiled egg here. I boiled it earlier and placed it in a bowl of cold water for it to chill. Let's peel it and chop it up into small pieces. For you to make a perfectly hard-boiled egg, just add your eggs to boiling water and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. That's the secret to perfectly hard-boiled eggs every time. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us share more tasty recipes with you every week. Thank you so much for your amazing support. Then on another pan, I'll add a little oil, toss in some chopped veggies, that is, chopped green bell pepper, red onion, spring onion, and some tomatoes, and sprinkle a few spices to give it that flavor kick. Sauté until everything smells nice and delicious. Let it cook for a minute on medium heat. Next, we will toss in those chopped boiled eggs and mix it all up. You'll see the colors come together. The smell alone will make you hungry. Mix everything together until it's nicely combined. Just about a minute is enough for the boiled eggs to soak up all those rich flavors. Now comes the fun part, putting it all together. This recipe is so unique, and I guarantee you, it's so delicious. Stay tuned and see how we do this. We'll crack one egg onto the pan, add a pinch of salt, spread it out a little before it dries, place our cooked tortilla right on top. This helps the egg stick perfectly underneath. Give the egg 1 minute to cook before we flip our tortilla. We want it golden brown and crispy. After about a minute, flip it over. Look at that! Now let's add our flavorful veggie and egg filling right on top. This is the magic step that makes this tortilla wrap extra special, one your family will absolutely love. Gently roll it up, and that's it. A soft, eggy, flavorful tortilla wrap, ready to serve. Just look at that! Crispy outside, soft inside, and packed with that rich filling. You can slice it in half for that satisfying reveal. And there you have it, our unique tortilla wrap pack. Super easy, super tasty, and guaranteed to impress your friends and family. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you're new here, subscribe for more simple, delicious recipes every week. Thanks for watching. And as always, may your kitchen be full of flavor and love.